Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this, the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. Yes, that's a long name. Well, I bought this from the offline market, and the reason is very simple. Because I want to get this as early as possible, because as we all know, the sale was started today at 12 PM onwards. But if I would order from Amazon, then maybe I would get this tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So yes, to make the video as early as possible for you guys, I bought this from offline market, from the showroom of OnePlus, and the experience was good, and you will also get the same 1500 ICICI credit card discount in the showroom as well. So yeah, that's a good thing. Now guys, as we all know that in offline market you won't get the seal pack, because they will open the box, they will see that if the product is damaged or not, and also they will set up the phone for you, and after that they will hand over the phone to the customers, and they did the same with me, so no problem. Let's unbox this. Alright, so here on the top we have, alright, so we will get case with this phone. So that's the case, as you can see, and then we have, alright, so a lot of paperwork, the team of OnePlus, then the membership card, the Red Cable Club, and some OnePlus Nord stickers, and some user manual guides. Alright, now here we have the phone, the main highlight of this unboxing. Alright guys, so straight away, yeah, it feels premium. Let me remove this sticker as well. Alright guys, so straight away I can see some fingerprints, because it's a plastic bag with glossy finish. There is no matte finish. Even in the blue version you will get the same plastic bag with glossy finish. And yeah, but overall the design is very good. The camera module is looking very good. Yeah, definitely much better than the original OnePlus Nord and Nord CE. So yeah, in terms of design, I am really impressed with the rear design. Well, I will talk more, but first let's see what we get else inside the box. So that's interesting. You will get 65-watt charger, but yeah, SuperVOOC charger. There is no warp charger, and the branding name here on the top of the charger. And also you will get USB Type-C cable in red color, typical OnePlus style. Now let's keep aside all these things and let's talk about the phone. Alright guys, now let me use this phone for a couple of hours and then I will come back, but for you it's just a second.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, now I am back. So see, starting first with the design. It's a plastic phone, so I will highly recommend you to use a case, and I am glad that they provided a case inside the box. So let me first put this inside the case, and yeah, the fit is very good and it looks good even after the case. It feels very good in hand even after the case. But yeah, if we talk about the in-hand feel, then it's a very lightweight phone. The weight of this phone is just 173 grams, and yes, the width is also good. The phone is also not very tall, although it's not a one-hand phone for average size hands, but it's comfortable to use. Well, this phone has a display size of 6.43 inch, and overall I like the in-hand feel of this phone. Yeah, the frames and the back is plastic, but that's fine. And also the chin bezels is slightly larger as compared to the top and side bezels, so that's one more thing to notice. But yeah, with larger chin you will also get a headphone jack, so that's really nice. Let me remove this cover first. Alright, so you will get a headphone jack, so that's really nice. And also there is one very surprising feature, not actually feature, but yeah, the support of the SD card slot. You will get two SIMs plus one micro SD card slot. You will get a dedicated micro SD card slot, which means you can use two SIMs and micro SD card all at the same time. So yeah, that's really a great move from OnePlus. Alright, we will talk about each and everything in this video, but first let's talk about these cameras. So you will get a 64 megapixel f1.7 sensor here, and you will get OmniVision sensor, not Sony, not Samsung, yes, OmniVision. Well, hardware is one thing, but definitely I trust more on the software, like how's the image processing and how's the overall image quality, the output of that photo. So let's see some photo samples. Alright, so this is the video sample of the front camera of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and here I am also doing the stability test. So do let me know, audio is also coming right from the phone, so do let me know that how is the audio quality, video quality and stability of this front camera. Well, here are some photo samples which I clicked during the sunset. Well, yeah, it's too early to judge the camera of this phone, so I'm not going to, give my verdict. So wait for my camera comparisons and reviews. So yeah, definitely you should wait for my future videos, but you will get an overall idea that how the camera is. So that's why I am sharing these photo samples with you. Now if we talk about the display, so as I already told you, it's a 6.43 inch AMOLED panel with 90 Hz refresh rate and 180 Hz touch sampling rate. You will also get Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front, so that is also very nice. Yeah, you won't get 120 Hz, but yeah, 90 Hz is there, so it feels smooth. It won't feel jittery or something like that, which we used to see with 60 Hz panel. And you will also get the support of HDR10 plus. But talking about the display brightness, then I don't know at this point, but I will definitely try to include this in my full review. Well guys, talking about one thing which I don't like is that this phone comes out of the box with Android 11, not Android 12, so that's a bummer. And also you will get Oxygen OS 11 here. Well, the second thing which might not look very impressive on the paper is that you will only get single speaker, which is mono speaker, no stereo speakers in the Nord CE 5G. But don't get disappointed very easily, because the output is fine, it's loud and it's good, but still it's not a stereo, that's fine, but at least the quality is good and loud. Alright, now let's talk about the biometrics. So you will get 3 options to unlock this phone. First, type your password, and then under display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. But I don't use face unlock, so let's see the under display fingerprint scanner. So yeah, as you can see, it's fast, accurate and responsive, so no problems. Well yeah, the only thing which is not correct, if you want me to do the nitpicking, then yeah, the placement of the fingerprint reader is on the very bottom of the display, which is not very ideal for your thumb to not very ideal position to rest your thumb on the reader. If the reader is slightly on the upper side, then it's much easier to reach your thumb, as you can see, something like this. But yeah, with in couple of days you will get used to this, and you will get the habit of doing this. So yeah, no problem. Damn, it's a fingerprint city, damn it, it's a fingerprint city. Alright, now if we talk about the variants, then it comes in 2 colors, this one the grey and the other one is blue, and both comes with a plastic back and in glossy finish. You won't get matte finish in any of the colors. So yeah, that's a bummer for matte finish lovers, someone like me. But anyway, yeah, as you can see, this catch a lot of fingerprints, and also this will catch scratches as well, so make sure to use cover, as I already told you. Well, talking more about the variants, you will get the base variant as 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and the top variant is 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. So yeah, the storage is capped at 128 only, but the good part is that you will get micro SD card slot, so it's better to go with 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage. There is no need for 8GB RAM. Even if you are a heavy gamer, there is no need for 8GB RAM, so definitely buy the base variant of the OnePlus Nord 2 CE. That's a highly recommended thing from my side. Now it's up onto you. And yeah, one more thing, you will get LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, not UFS 3.1 or LPDDR5X, but who cares? Who noticed this small differences? This won't affect your day-to-day usage. And when we are talking about the storage type and RAM type, let's talk about the performance. So you will get MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor, which is a 5G processor, and it's based on 6nm technology. So yeah, it's power efficient, and also you will get 4500 mAh battery, AMOLED panel, which also consumes less battery, plus 90 Hz display, not 120 Hz. So yeah, that's also fine. It won't take a lot of battery with 120 Hz high refresh rate. And overall, with Oxygen OS, in my past experience, the battery is very good. So I guess here also you're going to get a very good battery life. Well, of course, I will tell you more about the battery life in my review video, in my full review video, which will come out after 7-8 days. So make sure to watch that video as well, and also make sure to subscribe the channel if this is your first time. Now talking about the charger, then I already told you that you will get a 65 watt SuperVOOC charger, and you know what, 65 watt according to me is just brilliant, perfect for smartphones, to charge your smartphones, because 100 watt 120 watt is kind of overkill. Yeah, that's also very cool to have in your phone, but with 65 watt you will get the peace of mind that yeah, there is not going to be any heating issue or blast or something like that. So yeah, I guess 65 watt is very good. 30 watt and anything less than 65 watt doesn't feel very fast. So yeah, I guess 65 watt is a sweet spot for the smartphone chargers. Well, talking about connectivity, then you will get Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, 5G is also here, but I'm not aware about the number of 5G bands, so I will definitely let you know in my full review video. And the rest, every basic sensors are available here. Alright guys, so it's time for the final verdict. So actually it's too early to give my final verdict. If you are not in hurry, then definitely wait for my comparison video of this versus the Realme 9 Pro Plus, which I currently don't have with me, but definitely I am going to do the comparison of the Nord CE 2 and Realme 9 Pro Plus. So you have to wait for that video, and also wait for camera comparisons if you are interested in camera. So yeah, just don't rush, wait for my videos, and then you can decide at which one you should buy, or is like if you just want to buy a Nord CE 2, then is it really worth it for the price, for the given price? So yeah, you can wait for my full review. In that video I will tell you more about the camera, battery, performance, and yeah, there are much more things to cover in my full review. This is just the unboxing and first impressions, so I would definitely recommend you guys to wait at least for 7 days, and then you can make your purchase decision. Well, if you liked what you watched, definitely hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. If this is your first time, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.